Guys, if you are looking to gift something small yet cute, token of love to your friends on their birthdays or their special days, then you must try these DIY keychains. So let me quickly unbox these items which I bought from my DIY activity last week. This is a set of acrylic pen, and this is a box of 25 round shaped keychains made of MDF board. This is from an Amazon seller named as Ivy, which is spelled as IEVI. I'll give the link of all these items in the description box below this video so that you can check the item from there. These have pretty smooth surface, so I don't think applying acrylic color on these keychains would be a problem. Now this is a second box I bought from the same seller, IV from Amazon, and this is a box of 10 pieces of keychains in different shapes: heart, oval, stars, as you can see. We have a close group of friends in WhatsApp, and this group is named as 40 is new 20. There's almost 30 members, and we went for a picnic last week. Before going to the picnic, I was thinking of gifting something thoughtful to all my friends. That's why I bought all these keychains. But I just had one day in hand to complete all these 30 keychains. So I didn't apply gesso before applying acrylic color, and I didn't give proper time for the colors to sit properly on them. Therefore, the finishing of these keyrings were not that great, of course, but all my friends loved it. They found this keyrings to be very thoughtful gift. Instead of brush, we can use this acrylic marker pens for writing the names or the greetings on the keyrings. That will make the job easier and faster. So all my keyrings are ready with the logo of that group at one side of the keyring and the name of the friend on the other side of the keyring. But as you can see, the surface is looking little rough and the color is also little dull. That is why, to protect the color and to give it a shiny look, I have added a thin layer of varnish. You can get this bottle of varnish from the local hardware or carpentry shop. So with that, this is Subhasree signing off for today. Stay tuned to my channel to get ideas of home decor and DIY every Sunday. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.